Hey guys, welcome back. If you're paying attention to my channel, the last video I posted, I asked everyone if they wanted to do a fishing trip with me or a fishing product giveaway. And I was shocked at how many people chose to fish with me instead of having a free product giveaway. I appreciate all the positive comments. I had no idea that many people wanted to fish with me versus getting something for free. It means a lot to me that you guys are giving me positive feedback. It's exciting to do videos like these for you guys and give you guys a chance to fish with me. So this video is the announcement video telling everyone that this is the video to comment on if you want to fish with me. Every single comment, every single person is going to be put into the drawing that comments on this video that they're interested. You can leave your real name or I'll use your YouTube name. You just have to say you're interested or count me in or anything like that, and I'll put you in the drawing. You obviously have to have a YouTube account to be able to comment on this video, and this is for my subscribers, so I'd appreciate everyone that's watching this video to hit the subscribe button. I don't want to give away a free trip to someone that's not even subscribed to my channel, because that's the whole purpose of this video. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. Please comment below that you're interested and I'll put you in the drawing. And March 23rd I'll announce the winner, so you have 7 days to comment, so please comment quickly, that way I know everyone's involved. I don't want you to miss your chance to comment, so hopefully you see this video before the 7 days is up. Hopefully I'm giving everyone enough time to find the video and comment on it below. Nobody that messages me are going to be eligible to be in the drawing because I want everyone to be a subscriber to my channel. I see that I'm getting a lot of views from people that aren't subscribed. I saw yesterday that I have like 98% of people that watch my videos aren't even subscribers. So hopefully this motivates you to hit that subscribe button. So the Monday that it's starting on is the 15th. So March 15th to March 22nd, you have to comment in this video to get into the drawing. So that means I'll probably announce the winner on the 23rd. So make sure you're keeping up with my channel to where you see the next video happen. So you're gonna have to pay attention. If I call out your name and I don't know who you are, obviously we're gonna have to get in contact. If you win, you're gonna have the choice of what we do. And if you win, you're gonna have the choice of what fish we target, where we go. Say you're a Homosassa, you're a Crystal River, you're a Yankeetown, Barge Canal. Whichever area you prefer to learn, I'm all for trying to show you those areas. I can show you whatever knowledge I know from Ozello to Yankeetown. It's up to you what you want to learn. I feel comfortable doing whatever I've done in the past. If there's a video specifically you remember that you liked, I can do that same thing with you. We can do topwater, swim baits, artificial shrimp. We can do whatever you want to learn, whatever you want to get better at. I can help you understand. I'll leave the power in your hands. I'll recommend what I think is biting now, what we should do, and then you can make the choice if you want to do something different. It doesn't matter to me. Or if you have a boat and you want to go out a little deeper, whether it's snapper, sheepshead, grouper, if that's what you want to do, it's up to you. If you win the trip, you're in charge. You make the decision where we go. If you follow my channel, you obviously know I have an 18-foot aluminum flat bottom boat with a jet drive on it, so I can pretty much get anywhere in the shallows. If you don't think fishing shallow water is going to help you, say you have a bigger boat and you want to learn in your boat, I'm all for going in your boat. I'm all for trying to show you new techniques, showing you new places to go, trying to help you out. I want you to catch fish in your own boat. I want to give the chance to people that don't have a boat to be able to get on the water. I want to give this opportunity to people that have a boat that want to catch more fish. I want this to be completely random to whoever wins. I have no control over it. I don't want to make too long of a video, so I'll see you guys March 23rd. Make sure you leave your comments below, and good luck to you.